Hi there, I'm Alan, I'm back, and I'm going to show you what I've done so far in my gardening. And let me walk up here, turn my camera around. Okay, we had some daylilies here, but some of them got crushed by the wood pile when it fell over one time. So Shelly bought some more daylilies. These are hostas that we've been having. And we had a gladiolus here, this one here. I also planted a few more bulbs of gladiolus. Yeah, more hostas. Forgot what these bushes was, but we don't like them. More hostas, another type of plant. I don't know what that is. And these are the house plants we keep indoors in the wintertime. And I forgot what this plant here was. I bought a bunch of bulbs at Walmart, a variety pack. But I did plant some hollyhocks and gladiolas over here with these. And I forgot what those was. I had to find out. I'm going to have to rebroadcast what it is. And this here, Shelly planted. She had some last year for a long time, and they kind of went south. So after we had all this rain, they start popping up like crazy. They were, I got the name of these two. I did knew them one time. How to get back to that name? I tried scanning it with my phone app, well, with Google, and says it's sedge, but that's not what it is. And let's walk toward the back. We got roses planted here we've been having. I think this middle one here I bought like a year or two ago. And we got some more flowers here. These are lilies, day lilies. Oh. I could be wrong about that. Anyway, here's another rose bush. These are artichoke, also known as sun artichoke. Forgot the real name of them. And this here, I saw on YouTube some people will put before the season's over, slice their tomatoes and stuff and put them in a pot of dirt. Put them in a dark place, cool dark place overnight. Over winter. Then you bring them back out and water them. And this is all I got from it. It's just one cherry tomato plant. So I'll try again this winter. Watermelon, lettuce still not coming up. Tomatoes, slicer tomatoes, jalapenos. I love jalapenos. Sweet peppers, red peppers, bell peppers, more tomatoes. These are just dark tomatoes. These are dark looking vines. They're rugged tomatoes. And we got watermelon. Of course, raspberries grew last year or the year before, I forgot which. Forgot what this plant is. These are pepperoncinis. Hopefully they'll come up. Sage, something like that. These are onions we grew last year. They're going to seeds. And then we got cucumbers. We had a flower one, these small ones. I had to pull the flower off. And cherry tomatoes. And I'm gonna plant that one cherry tomato down here with the others. And of course, we got all kinds of fruit trees. I forget which is which. Running all the way down here. Blackberries. I'm gonna have to start weeding over here. Got another blackberry plant where she don't want to come up. Some there. And these two. Got the name of those again. And we planted some, well, these are gladiolas, hostas. I got a Dusty Miller hiding in here. They were overran last year through the winter. I cut them back. She planted some hollyhocks in here too. Of course, the strawberries. Our grapes. And what I did today was plant some sunflower seeds, 2 different types. The one on the left, there wasn't very many seeds in that one, so I took some of the seeds on the right and spread it to the left there. See if I can get a closer picture here. Got a sun glare on my phone here. And more flowers. And I planted some more gladiolas over here. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me okay. Forgot my mic again. Any strawberries here. Show you what Shirley did. I don't know if you can see it. She put some strip of wood here on each side of this cage. Make it easier. Got a runner right there. See what we got here. That one can set a little bit. That one can set. That's not done. Get rid of that one, that's rotted. We had a lot of rain. That's rotted. That's rotted. Nothing in that one. Now I'm wondering if I should pull these easy, earlier, so they don't rot on me. I think I will. No. That's a funky one there. Try to keep them off the dirt as much as possible. Can't let them hang over though. Squirrels again. Oh, I guess I'm not picking on it today. Big weed. Okay. No strawberries today. Well, it is easier to put back on, that's for sure. And where I got the sunflowers planted, that's where we had planted last year also. Well, hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, return, and all that. Until next time, later.